Hi, Jack Tubbs with the J Team, Realty One Surprise, Arizona, saying, hey, happy Friday to you. It is the weekend. Congratulations, you made it through another week. Hey, just want to continue on with some of the things that we've been discussing about probate real estate, and just wanted to remind you all that probate is one of our specialties here at the J Team at Realty One. I just wanted to remind you that we have a team that can take care of every aspect of a probate property, also from attorneys to people to do cleanouts, insurance people, financial advisors, whatever you need, we have somebody on our team to help you. We've worked with just about everybody, and over the years of experience that we've had in real estate, I think we've seen just about everything, and I think we've met just about everybody that can help get past any of the rough parts when it comes to probating a piece of real estate. So, with that said, I want to kind of continue on with my checklist here. We're talking about finishing up. I don't even want to call it. Well, we're terminating our responsibility as a personal representative in an informal appointment. And what it means by informal is mean that it's all spelled out by the will left by the decedent, that everything that they've done, that you've been named the executor, the court has seen the will and they said, yes, you are the executor. It's very informal. You don't have to go before court to do a lot of this stuff. Just some of the paperwork does have to be filed with the courts as a final way to close out the estate with the state of Arizona, and we're talking really strictly right now with the county of Maricopa. Anyways, we've talked about if there's any questions about distributions, a form PB 401 should be prepared. Receipts and instruments of distribution, deeds of distribution, all the things that are applicable in distributing an estate here in the great state of Arizona. Also, make sure that if there's any accounting needed, if there's not needed, then there's a waiver of accounting. That's form PB 501A. We have to record any deeds with the county's recorder's office. And now, we kind of went through these 4 things over the past couple of segments here, but I want to start out with paying the final administrative expenses and before distributing the assets, and I have to obtain receipts for everything. So when we're talking about the final administration expenses, there may be some outstanding debt that needs to be paid by the estate, and with you being the personal representative, that's your responsibility to make sure that it's done. Make sure that you obtain a receipt for everything, for funeral expenses, for even a luncheon afterwards, anything that is connected with the funeral of the decedent. Keep a receipt, because it goes against what is going to be distributed to the rest of the heirs named in the decedent's will or trust. And they have to be turned in. Everything's needs to be balanced. So that's one of the things that we want to do there. And then we have to have a verified closing statement prepared. And I would really suggest that you have a probate attorney prepare this. They'll make sure that it's done in the proper and legal fashion, so that if there are any disputes by any of the other heirs or anybody else, you'll have a legally prepared, attorney prepared version of the verified closing statement. Now, the last thing that we're going to cover today is that once you get a copy of this closing statement made, it has to be distributed to all the people in the states. It's got to be made sure that all the creditors that have laid any claim to the estate, showing that this statement will show that they've been paid, but it's got to be distributed to everybody. And if anybody has an issue with it, they've got to take care of it within the next 14 days before the estate is closed out. So that's where I'm going to leave you right now. But remember, if you have any questions, if you need any help with any aspect of a loved one's estate that you've been named the personal representative to, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or my team. You can get a hold of me directly at 248-330-7972. That's 248-330-7972. Or you can email me or my team at jack@thejteam.house, and that's jack at THEJTEAM.house. and we'd be more than happy to respond to any of your questions to help you however we can, refer you to any of our team members, such as, like I said, attorneys. I have not only probate attorneys, but we also have regular family planning attorneys, estate attorneys. We have everybody on our team that you would need when taking care of probate. Even movers. If you need a mover, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We love to help. We love to get help because we always seem to get paid to get help, and that's an awesome thing. Hey, this is Jack from the J Team, once again reminding you that if you need any help with any real estate needs, but we do specialize in probate, please don't hesitate to call 248-330-7972, or you can email me at jack@thejteam.house. Once again, that's jack@thejteam.house. And you can also text me at 248-330-7972. Hey, you all have a great weekend. I will see you back here on Monday. God bless you richly. See you Monday.